from Where the Yokels Grow, and as you can see, we are standing in the house, and that's because in today's video, we are going to be creating a beautiful, elegant Thanksgiving tablescape for the upcoming Thanksgiving holiday next week. So if you are new here, consider subscribing so you can see more videos like this. And if you are returning, I am so glad to see you again. Get yourself a hot cup of coffee, a hot cup of tea, an iced tea, a glass of water. So here we go. Let's get this tablescape going.